Okay, it's a TOS Trencin 28 by 120 with a 3-inch hole. Has a DRO, works both axis, double light. All the speeds and feeds work when you put it in gear. Start off low, slow, as per the chart in all the ranges here. Wrapper in all directions. Automatic oiler. See the DRO working there. That's in this direction. Has two steady rests and a follower rest. I think a 10-inch and a 16-inch, if I'm not mistaken. Whatever they came in with the factory, it's all there, all working. This is a nice machine too. This is actually my personal favorite. Between these two, this one and the other one there, depending on what I'm doing on that particular day. That's it for that.